Hey there! Welcome back sa E-commerce Mastery. Ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa mga pinaka-importanteng aspects of running your e-commerce business, which is shipping. Particularly, i-explore natin kung paano ka makakakuha ng labels directly from Shopify affordably in 2024. Maraming iba't ibang app integrations ang pwedeng pagpilian, pero bilang isang small business owner who's always looking to save costs, highly recommended ko ang Pirate Ship. Ang Pirate Ship ay isang free app na directly nag-integrate sa Shopify store mo and allows you to purchase and print your labels at a lower cost kaysa going directly to USPS, FedEx, or UPS. Many of the apps that you hook up with na nag-offer ng lower shipping costs actually charge you a monthly fee. Pero ang Pirate Ship ay isang free app that does this. Kaya talagang recommended ko ito. Libre ito at madaling gamitin, so follow along while I show you how to set it up. By the way, gusto kong i-mention na lahat ng links below ay affiliate links and we do receive a small referral fee if you use them. Nakakatulong ito to keep our videos free for you. Now, let's get right into it. Ang pag-setup ng Pirate Ship ay napakasimple lang. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay pumunta sa App Store at makikita mo by clicking Apps sa left-hand side ng screen and typing in Pirate Ship, it should pop up for you. From here, i-click mo lang ang install. Pagkatapos mong i-install ang Pirate Ship app, ipoprompt ka na gumawa ng account. Kailangan mong add in ang iyong password at address. You'll also want to tick whether you use this address bilang return address sa iyong shipping labels. From here, you click on create your free account. Ngayon na nakaka-create ka na ng account, automatic na naka-integrate na ito sa iyong Shopify store. Once your Shopify store is connected, kailangan mong i-configure ang iyong settings. Pumunta ka sa settings tab sa Pirate Ship para i-customize ang iyong preferences. Maraming iba't ibang preferences that you can make your future life easier. Una, pumunta ka sa General Settings. Dito, maaari mong iset up ang iyong label size, your label file type, and any type of packing list or gift messages na gusto mong i-include. Karamihan sa new e-commerce owners ay walang shipping printers at hindi pa aware sa label size na gagamitin nila, which is totally okay. We've all been there. Kung bago ka lang at balak mong gumamit ng desktop printer o get these shipping labels created, I highly recommend you use 4x6 inch label. Kahit lumago na ang negosyo mo and you're able to get a shipping label printer, you can continue to use this 4x6 label and won't have to come back and change your preferences. Isa pang option that you can use ay ang 2x7 inch label, pero marami sa mga printer ang hindi makapag-print ng ganitong size, so I recommend you stick with 4x6. Makikita mo rin na ang label file type I already recommended to be PDF, so just stick with the recommendation provided. Makikita rin na na-enable ko ang automatic address correction para ma-ensure na tama ang pagka-deliver ng packages ko. Once I'm done, I'm going to click Save at babalik ako sa settings to review my save packages. Dito, pwede akong gumawa ng package type para hindi ko kailangan balikan at i-input ang package dimensions for every single product. This specific store is selling t-shirts, kaya ang package that I'm going to save, I'm going to name as t-shirts. At isiset ko ito as default. Any length ng package ko ay 8 inches, width is 6 inches, and my height is 1 inch. And typically, my packages are about a pound, kaya I leave it at 1 pound and then I'll click Create Save Package. Ang section para sa yung Save Package section ay kailangan i-customize to your store at products that you're selling. Mahalaga na malaman mo kung paano mo ipapadala ang yung products, kung sa boxes ba o sa poly mailers, and get those measured para ma-save ang dimensions within Pirate Ship and save yourself a lot of time in the future. Ngayon na nakasetup ka na, I'm sure you're wondering, paano ako magpiprint ng label at paano ko make sure that my Shopify orders are transferred in? Madali lang yan, dahil Pirate Ship does that for you. Makikita mo sa demo store ko na may isang order na kailangan ipadala. Kapag pumunta ako sa apps at mag-click ng Pirate Ship, if I hit the button Ship and Import from Shopify, my order will pop up for me. Dito, I can click Get Rates at lahat ng information na need para i-ship ang package ay naka-input na. Makikita mo nagbibigay ang Pirate Ship ng rates for USPS at UPS. I want you to notice that transparent pricing, nag-aalok ang Pirate Ship ng same discounted pricing that's often reserved for large corporations without having to pay a monthly fee. You can then pass on these discounted rates to your customers o maaari mo ring i-increase ang iyong gross margin by not passing these rates on and saving a little bit on shipping. From here, you can go ahead and pick the shipping option that is right for you. I tend to choose yung cheapest option kung ang package ay hindi madedelay for long. And from here, I will buy the label. Pagkatapos mong bilhin ang iyong label, you can download it or create a share link for use. Kapag na-download mo na ang label, pwede mo itong i-print using various methods. Let's go over those methods. Some different options you may have for printing your label. Kapag starting out ka pa lang, you may not want to invest in a shipping label printer, which is totally fine. You want to save costs where you can. Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako and I would get a couple of orders a month, piniprint ko ang mga labels sa regular computer paper. Ginugupit ko yung papel down to size and just use some clear packing tape para idikit ang label directly on the package. As my business grew and I wanted to make things a little bit more efficient and save some time, I upgraded to Avery shipping labels in the 4x6 size. Ang paggamit ng Avery labels na ito allowed me to continue using my desktop printer. Ilaload ko lang ang label sheet sa printer ko and print off that way. Ang pag-setup ng printer settings ay medyo tricky pero marami namang tutorials na pwede mong i-follow. Nung lumago yung negosyo ko, I was able to invest a little bit more. Bumili ako ng shipping label printer at laking tulong nito which made my life that much easier. Maraming iba't ibang options to choose from at may different price points. You just have to find one that's right for you. Halimbawa, ang Jaden's Bluetooth Thermo shipping label ay gumagawa ng 4x6 shipping label sizes at compatible with your phone, Windows, and many people use it for eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and Etsy. You're able to print wirelessly or via USB at ang pag-setup nito ay madali lang. Isa pang magandang option and one that I personally own is the Zebra Multi-Purpose Label Printer. Again, this is a wireless label printer na compatible sa AirPrint at Android. Makikita mo na maraming options to choose from, whether you're just starting out with a simple sheet of computer paper or looking to purchase a label printer. Either way, Pirate Ship ang best choice dahil they provide you the lowest cost and do not charge extra for features tulad ng tracking. Gaya ng nakita mo, ang pag-create ng shipping label can be done in just a few clicks kaya sobrang efficient nito. And you won't have to get stuck sa pagmamanual data entry, which can really take up a lot of your time and should be spent on growing your business. You can now start using Pirate Ship kapag may order ka sa Shopify. So there you have it. If you're looking to get affordable labels on Shopify in 2024, Pirate Ship is the way to go. With its competitive rates, seamless integration, and easy-to-use platform, ito talagang perfect e-commerce business solution. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that I can continue making videos like this. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-sign up sa Shopify, pwede mong gamitin ang link sa ibaba to get your first 3 days and your first month for only $1. Also, be sure to check out the links to all our favorites e-commerce tools down below. Until next time, and happy shipping!